How to fix Instagram action block error. For this, you need to link Instagram to Facebook. First, open the Instagram app on your phone. At the bottom of the screen, click on the Profile menu. Next, at the top right corner of the screen, click on the three horizontal lines. From the menu that appears, tap on the Account Center. In this, tap on the Profiles. Click on your present Instagram account. Make sure you have set up sharing between Instagram and Facebook. Linking your Instagram and Facebook accounts helps verify that you're a human user and not a bot. If you still find the action block error on Instagram, then log out and log back in. At the bottom right corner, click on the Profile menu. Next, at the top right corner, click on the three horizontal lines. In the Settings and Activity menu, scroll all the way down and click on the Logout, and then confirm it. After logging out, at the top right corner, click on the three dots. Choose the Instagram account and tap on Remove. In the pop-up again, click on Remove. After the account has been removed, then tap on the Login into another account and log back in to verify your identity by entering your password again. Then click on Login. At the top right, click on the heart icon. If you still find the action blocked error, then report the problem to Instagram. At the bottom right corner of the screen, click on the Profile menu. Next, at the top right corner of the screen, click on the three horizontal lines. Scroll down to the More Info and Support section, then click on the Help option. Here, tap on the Report a Problem. Scroll down and tap on the Report a Problem Without Shaking. And then, click on Include and Continue. Now, briefly explain the problem to the Instagram support, and then tap on Send. After some days, Instagram will solve the issue, and then you cannot have the action blocked error. And that's it.